Cintāmaṇi prakara sadmasu kalpa vrikṣalakshapritesu surabhirabhipalayantam lakshmi sahasrasata samramasebhamanam Govindam adipuruṣam tamaham bhajami veṇuṁ kvaṇantam aravinda-dalāyatākṣam barhāvataṁsam asitāmbuda-sundarāṅgam. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who is the cause of all causes. He is in the Cintāmaṇi-dhāma. Cintāmaṇi-dhāma means the place which is not made of earth and stone, but they are made of Touchstone. Most probably you have heard the name of Touchstone. Touchstone can turn iron into gold. So, the Lord's abode is made of Touchstone, Cintāmaṇi. They are houses. As we have got our experience here in this world, that houses are made of bricks. There, in the transcendental world, the houses are made of these Cintāmaṇi stone, Touchstone. Cintāmaṇi prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha. There are also trees, but those trees are not like this tree. The trees are kalpa vriksha. Here you can take one thing, one kind of fruit from one tree, but there, from the trees, you can ask anything and you get it, because those trees are all spiritual. That is the difference between matter and spirit. Cintāmaṇi prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha lakhyābritesu. Such kind of trees, there are many, not one or two. So all the places are covered by all those trees. Cintāmaṇi prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha lakhyābritesu surabhirabhipalayantam. And the Lord is very much fond of cow herding. And the cows there, they are called surabhis. Surabhi cow means you can milk as many times and as much as you like. Surabhirabhipalayantam. And Lakshmi sahasrasata sambrama sripumanam. And the Lord is always surrounded by the goddesses of fortune, Lakshmi. Sahasrasata. Not one or two, but hundreds and thousands. Hundreds and thousands of goddesses of fortune. They're always serving the Lord. And in this way, eternally, blissfully, the Lord is dwelling in his abode, which is called Cintāmaṇi-dhāma. Now how to start?